Hey sunshines, and welcome back to Slim Fit Curls. Today I'm going to do a Bantu Knot twist and curl with braiding hair using the following products: TGIN ButterCream Daily Moisturizer, Honey Curls Custard, and their Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Conditioner, my DNA Jamaican Black Castor Oil with Moroccan Argan Oil, Style Factor Edge Booster Hideout Hair Pomade, as well as my Tangerine Cold Wave Rods, pre-stretch braiding hair, and black mega wrap strips. I already washed and deep conditioned my hair with the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask, and now I'm spritzing my hair with water so I can apply the leave-in conditioner, which is smelling really good. I like the consistency of it and how my hair felt as I applied it. I've used it a few times since doing this video, and it's a keeper. Once the leave-in is rubbed in my hair real good, I'm just going to twist it up and repeat this process over my entire head. Now I'm separating my hair and twisting it up to prep for the Bantu knots in the front. I'm about to test out the moisturizer and custard. I'm starting with the moisturizer, which I used years ago, and I still love how it moisturizes my hair. As usual, I'm applying a little oil after my cream today, and instead of using gel or jelly, I'm trying out a custard. I'm loving the smell of these products, and I was pleasantly surprised that it wasn't super sticky in my hair or on my hands when I was using the custard. To do my twist and curl, I'm twisting my hair until I get it about 2 or so inches from the bottom, and then add my rod and repeat the entire process until everything is twisted and rolled up in the back. I'm just untwisting the front so that I can get ready to start on my Bantu knots, and when I pulled it up, I was feeling a half up, half down. If I knew the foolery that was about to occur, I would have stuck with the half up, half down. Unfortunately, I have to welcome you into my Slim Fit Curls Foolery 101. Now, I'm always having issues with edge controls not controlling these edges, and if they do it, it's not long lived. Then on top of that, I don't even have the thickest hair or edges, so I said, let me try this product out to see if I can slick my edges down and make my hair and edges appear fuller. I can't stand this product and should have left it at the stove. It didn't do what I needed it to do, and every time I touch my hair, scratch my scalp, I got black stuff underneath my nails. That ain't cute. Now this side is the side with the thinner edges, and I'm applying it, and it's starting to balance out where it looks like the edges are a little bit thicker, but the problem is my edges wouldn't stay laid long enough for me to be able to only apply this. I took so long twisting my hair in the back that the front is 100% air dried. But don't worry, I'm going to get it back juicy in the next clip. I'm taking the leftover braiding hair from my top knot bun video that I didn't use and wrapping it around my ponytail twice. And once it's secure, I'll combine it with my hair and twist the hair around itself. And once I have enough hair twisted, I'll start wrapping the hair around to form the Bantu knot and continue to twist, adjust, and add custard as needed. I'm taking a small black rubber band around the Bantu knot to secure it in place. Here I go, adding more black stuff to my edges because I don't like how they look. Finally finished. Just adding a little custard to the back before I tie my hair up for the night. It was a struggle getting all those rods up and getting that bonnet up over my head. Next time I would definitely be doing less twists. Don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell. Aw, look how happy and hopeful I look about this hairstyle. Well, that ain't gonna last long. It's the next day and my hair has air dried overnight, so now I'm taking my scarf off so I can start the takedown process. But yet again, I'm not feeling my edges. Now, those Bantu knots is a whole story by themselves. I should have just did the Bantu knots without the braiding hair, or added thinner pieces of hair and used shorter hair and left my edges alone. There's so many woulda, shoulda, couldas going on in this video. But here we are watching me turn myself into the rejected member of the 5 Heartbeat, because I was thinking I could layer it the same way I would clear edge control, because I've applied it several times to my edges the day before. Now I'm over here looking like an old school pimp, acting like he got a hairline, knowing that bad boy left him in the 70s. Out here stunting like he fooling all the ladies. You ain't fooling nobody with all that dang on black paint on your forehead. I was hoping that tying it down would help soak up all this extra blackness from my edges, but that would be a negative. Now I'm just adding some oil to my hands so I can reduce frizz while taking my hair down. My hair curled up nicely, except for this one disrespectful section over here. Look at that. Just straight disrespect. Look at me thinking I took all my rides out. I don't know why there's always one left behind, but whatever. Let's just move on to untwisting my hair. I like the way my twist turned out and how they felt with these TGIN products. My twist had definition in all but one of my ends were curled, which we just talked about. And the only thing I would change about the twist is that I would make them bigger, but literally that's it. Why is this rod still sitting in my head, even after I untwisted my hair? She came up to me and said it, let's just be friends. It was just a crush, it wasn't love. I sat alone. Finally, I got it out. And I know why. The reason was, it was over soon as I got a bad haircut. Over soon as I got a bad haircut. Over soon as I got a bad haircut. All right, I'm about to separate my hair and be done with this hairstyle. I'm going to take small sections of hair and separate it where it naturally separates to avoid frizz. Y'all, I can't get past these shiny edges and crazy looking Bantu knots. But let's just take a look at my final results and leave me a comment below about how you think it turned out. It was just a crush. It wasn't love. I sat alone on the bus, and I know why. The reason was, it was over soon as I got a bad haircut. Over soon as I got a bad haircut. Over soon as I got a bad haircut. It was over soon as I got a bad haircut. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Slim Thick Curls. Toodles. Mwah.